Namaste, everyone. Hello, everybody. Yeah, it's been a while since we met. I just recently came back to my own home country and has been rather busy and crazy too. I still have not managed to find a routine, but I managed to squeeze in this 10 minutes workout for you all. For those who want to start on a healthy journey, for those who are very busy, for those who don't really have time at all, everybody is really rushing for everything. This is the workout for you. It's just 10 minutes. It's for beginners. It's not intense, but it will tone you up if you do this regularly. What do you need for this exercise, this workout? Just a piece of towel. Yeah. Okay. So we will start lying down. Okay. So from here, okay, put your knees slightly apart. Okay. From here, fingers grazing your heel. Now from here, lift up the hip as high as you can. Inhale. Lift up, and try to push your chest towards the chin. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lift up. Stay here. 1. Keep pushing your chest to the chin. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly lower down. Bring your hands over the head. Inhale, lift up your right leg. If you can, touch the nose to the knee. Inhale, exhale, left leg. Inhale up, exhale right. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, exhale, right leg. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale up, exhale, right. Inhale up, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale. Now, from here, try to touch, and if you can, extend the left leg. Stay here. If you find it difficult, you can still bend the knee. Just rest the leg on the floor. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly, both legs on the floor. Adjust the position if you're going up a little bit too much. Now, again from here, this time extend both legs. Hands again above the head. Inhale this time and try to lift up both legs. Okay, for those who find it difficult to lift up, you can always support your back. From here to support the back, you can stay here or you can move a little bit more to the back. Be careful your neck. If you have neck pain, don't do this. And slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, come up. Use the core to come up. Exhale. Do this 4 more times. Inhale, lift up, slowly, slowly. Hold here. And exhale down. 3 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, last one. Here, try to hold. Again, you can use your hand to support. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly exhale, forward fold. For those who find it very tight, with those very tight hamstring, you can stay here. For those who can, try to grab the wrist. Look up to the toes, flexing the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, inhale, lift up the leg. Okay, and then for here, as I was telling you, you may need a piece of towel. Just put the towel here. Try to prevent the arch of the back. Try not to arch here, but then again, it depends on your body. There are certain people who come naturally with the arch. So there's no contact on the lower back and the floor. And this may cause some lower back pain for certain people, especially who are not very strong with the core. So I would suggest that you use a towel. Just put the towel here. Yeah. So your back will be on the towel and the floor. So from here, okay, I will try to go without this so you can see. Now, I will lift up my leg 90 degrees. So for those who find that with very tight hamstring, they tend to bend a little bit. It's okay, no problem. Just stay here this way. If you can, now, flexing the toe, you can really feel the hamstring stretch. Now this time, lift up the shoulder blade as high as you can. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly, hands over the head. Now, this time pointing the toes and lower down a little bit. Just stay here. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice my lower back is still very much in contact with the floor. Now, again, lower down more. But as you go down more, you tend to arch. This is where, if you find it very difficult to maintain that, get a towel. So keep squeezing the abs. Feel the burn here. Almost 45 degrees. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want extra crunch, lift up the shoulder blade. Now, move the legs down 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, for those who can, stay here, lift up, and if you feel the strain in the neck, support your neck. You can hold, interlock your fingers. Now, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly. Now, bend the knee. Bend the right knee. Elbow touch. Your left elbow touch. And twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly. Now, lower down. Hands down. Lie down. Again, make sure that your lower back is in contact with the floor. Breathe. Now, from here, again, hands over the head. A little bit of lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold here. 1, squeeze those abs. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly from here. Now, extend the leg and slowly come up. For those who cannot come up using the core, you can just turn and come to the sitting position. For those who can, just slowly come up. Just using the core, come up, cross the leg, come to the cat cow. Just stay in cat cow. Okay, look up, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, look up, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. Now, come to the forearm plank. Okay, extend the legs. Stay here. 5 breaths. Okay, remember, do not do this. Tuck your tailbone. Move your shoulders a little bit more to the front. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, move your left leg to the in the center. Your right knee touch the armpit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay here. 5. Squeeze your abs. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop to the knees and child pose. Come up. Shake your hands a little bit. Okay, so this is a very quick 10-minute workout. I hope you enjoy it and have a very fruitful time and very, very fruitful day. Namaste.